Hi kids!
Wow! Wow!
So many playthings. Let's open it. One, two, three, 4, 5. They are so colorful. Do you know the name of this ball? They are also so cute. Let's learn their names. This is a football. You can also separate them. White color, black color. This is a two-wheeler. It has two wheels. Black color wheels. Red color, yellow color. Do you like it, kids? And this is an eye mask. White color, sky blue color. This is volleyball. Yellow color, white color, sky blue color, and the last one is rugby ball. White color, yellow color, brown color. Now join them again. First one is football.
Wow!
Two-wheeler.
Hiya!
Eye mask.
No.
This is volleyball. Do you know that it is also known as American football? Now keep them aside. Football, rugby ball or American football, volleyball, eye mask, and the last one is two-wheeler.
Wow!
So many colorful faces. Let's open it. One, two, three, four. Total 4 fishes. Let's play with them. Orange color, white color. You can also separate their birds. Blue color, yellow color. Violet color, white color. Do you like it, kids? Yellow color, sky blue color. Let's join them again. Now keep them aside. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No.
Wow, color pens! So many colors. Our first color is yellow. Second color is light green. Third color is red. Fourth color is sky blue. Fifth color is green. Sixth color is orange. Seventh color is purple. Eighth color is pink. And our last color, ninth color, is blue. Let's learn alphabets. Purple. A. A for apple. A for also armadillo. A. Red. B. B for banana. B for also bulbul. B. Light green. C. C for candy. C for also cat. C. Yellow. D. D for dinosaur. D for also dolphin. D. Sky blue. E. E for elephant. E for also eagle. E. Pink. F. F for fish. F for also flowers. F. Green. G. G for giraffe. G for also goat. G. Our next color is orange. H. H for horse. H for also hen. H. Last color is blue. I. I for ice cream. I for also igloo. I. Now say with me, kids. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.